You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. I know, very curious and quite confusing, a name of a bird pronounced in English as grebe. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary, more names of animals that are confusing in English, stay tuned. English pronunciation here, pronounced as grebe, a mid-length E sound. Grebe. The plural is as grebes. How to pronounce grebe or grebes. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.